Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to discuss how can we manage the directory in Python. First of all, let's get idea about the directory. What is directory? Directory or folder is a collection of many files and subdirectories. In computer, we use terminology folder, whereas in case of programming languages, we often use directory as a keyword. So directory is a folder which has many files or folders inside it. As far as directory management in Python is concerned, we use a specific module called OS module that provides us useful methods to work with directories. So first we need to import this module at the start of our code if we want to manage the directories in our code. So here the some important tasks of Python directory management are given, which we will discuss one by one. First is how to get the current working directory. Second is we will discuss how can we change the current directory. Next we will learn how to get the list of directories and files. Next how to make a new directory, and next how to rename the directory, and next how to remove the directory. That's all about directory management, and we will discuss it step by step in upcoming video. So first of all, we will learn how to get the current directory in Python. In order to get the current working directory in Python, we use a keyword which is called get CWD, which stands for get current working directory. So this method will return the current working directory in the form of a string and will display the whole path that at which directory we are present. So here is the code that you can see. First of all, we have imported a module. This module is OS, and this is the keyword get current working directory. And since we want to use the function of this module, that's why we put OS at the start. And next what we do, we are going to print this variable in which we have stored the value or the path. So I will write this code at my Python software, which is called PyCharm, which is an integrated environment of Python. So let me first import the module. Next, what will I do? I will use a variable called a, in which I will use a function. This is the method to call the function. First, I will write module name, and next I will write get CWD, and next I can print this module. Now I am going to run the code. Okay, as soon as I run the code, here you can see that this is the path which has been given. C users, Al Hafiz Enterprises, next PyCharm projects, and next Python project. So I am available at this directory. So in this way we can get the current working directory of our computer at which we are coding. So this is how does it work. Okay, next we will learn how can we change the current working directory of our system. In order to change the current working directory, we use a keyword called CHDIR. CHDIR. It stands for change directory. So what will we do? We will put module name at the start of this, and then we will assign the location in brackets, the new location. So whenever we will assign the new location, then it will print this location when we want to print this current working directory. So let me do this at my Python software, which is PyCharm. However, you can use any software. It is up to you. Next, what I'm going to do, I am going to change the directory. Let's suppose I am going to assign the path users and only Al Hafiz enterprises. Okay, now I am going to write again B is equal to OS get current working directory, and now you will see here you can print. So as soon as I run this code, then you can see here, okay, here I have to use the module name at the start of function name. Then I will run the code again. Okay, here you can see this was the initial location. This was the initial location. And when I change the directory location, it means I have moved to a new location now. Then when I stored this value in again at other variable, then after printing we have seen a new location of our directory. So this is how does it work, and that's all in this video. We discussed how to find the current working directory and how to change the current directory location. Next, further we will discuss in upcoming video. Thank you.